Alright guys, I'm doing a review of this AHA. This is their new flavor I just saw. As you can see, sparkling water, but their flavor is pineapple passion fruit, so which is really neat. I've always tried bubbly and things like that, but this is AHA, and there it is. And it's made by the Coca-Cola company, I believe. Yep. Alright, let's do a quick taste test. Wow, this one is really good. You can taste the passion fruit and you can taste the pineapple, and they're both very strong. This has got to be one of my favorites, guys. Definitely check this one out. Yeah, if you have any questions, comments, please subscribe to the channel.